Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. Let's jump right into it. Little disclaimer, it's no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. And I'm invested in all of these 8 companies here. So what's very important in the crypto space, don't trust anyone, don't trust me, always verify, understand the game, and then you will win. If not, if you trust anyone, you will lose in this game. That's what I experienced in the last 3 or 4 years I'm in now. Okay, today I want to talk a little bit about my portfolio right now. Since my last video, my stock portfolio doubled in value without any capital additions here, so that's very nice. Exactly the 100%. So I think it's 1 or 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's very nice, I guess. So you can see here the stocks are now 50% of my portfolio. So they increased more than cryptos, precious metals, and real estate without any capital additions here. So, and here the stock portfolio, so the 50% we can see here. I increased my holdings in ARP in the number of shares big time. So wow, that's huge now. HUD8 and Bitfarms are also very big positions, but I did not add any stocks here. I sold at least a little bit in Bitfarms here, and swapped it to Argo Blockchain, but they increased in price so big. So yeah, that's why they are the big three here, the big 3 positions. I sold a lot of Hive stocks because I was not happy with the call yesterday. I will show you later why. And yeah, Mara, Riot, BitDigital, the 3 US stocks, I have still nice holdings here, and but they are not as high in my BMXI model and ranking. So I'm focusing right now on the cheap ones like HUD8, Bitfarms, and Argo Blockchain. Yeah, and I have my Galaxy still. I have my Galaxy position here. So yeah, that's my minor stock portfolio right now. Let's move to the next slide. The OPEX one today I want to show you. So that's the daily gross mining margin here over the last 150 days or so. So we can see in summer Hive was very high here. I told you, I think on the weekend, but yeah, right now Ethereum mining is a little bit decreasing here, and today there's a new number 1 here. It's BitDigital. Yeah, their operational margin is right now at 145,000 US dollars in my model. In my calculation here, Hive is number 2 with 129,000. What's very nice is HUD8 is back in the game with 73,000 US dollars. So they're right now very profitable because the mining profitability increased so big that they're with their older equipment very efficient right now. So they have great holdings in Bitcoin and they are profitable right now. So they don't have to sell a lot of coins, so they can hodl more. That's very nice for them. Bitfarms above 100,000. Argo Blockchain right now at 77,000 US dollars. Mara with 26,000 and Riot 73,000 US dollars. Yeah, that's the operational overview today. And let's jump into the next slide. Yeah, yesterday there was the Hive call and I was a little bit disappointing. And today I received an email from Hive. All the subscribers received an email here. And yesterday I expected more than 10 million for this GPU upgrade here from 4 GB to 8 GB. And I was correct. It's 12 million US dollars in cash flow. So, I mean, that's 20,000 ETH they have to sell right now to upgrade their older GPUs. And yeah, that's the issue I have with Hive right now. Since 2 years, the coin inventory is not growing. We still have like 15 or 20,000 ETH. First, there was the proxy battle with Genesis Mining. Then there was the Colossus airball, as Frank Holmes said yesterday. Then, as I'm aware of, they have issues in Lachute with the landlord there, so that's why not the capacity is not running here at 100%. And yeah, that's why they are now buying the GPU one facility So, I mean, that's a lot of mistakes. And what I want, I like Hive because it was my first miner, it was my first big investment there. So I'm still a fan of Hive, but they have to change something, and they need a full-time CEO and not Frank Holmes with he's CEO of US Global Investors and all this stuff. So we don't need a part-time CEO. We need a full-time CEO with a vision and with a and with he should be able to make contracts with these mining manufacturers like Bitmain or so to get these hardware into these facilities. Yeah, they're now plugging in old S9s they still have, but they sold a lot, as I'm aware of. So yeah, the strategy lacks because we all knew that the bull run is coming and the mining profitability will increase, and that these S9 at some point they will be profitable again. So you don't have to sell them very cheap in the last few months, and now you need them because you get no new miners. So yeah, the strategy is lagging. They need a full-time CEO. That's why I decreased my position in Hive and moved in, for example, into Argo. That's no financial advice here. That's what I did. And yes, that's the Hive news. They have to come up with bigger news. And it was a waste of time yesterday. And that's why I was a little bit angry yesterday. Maybe you were able to hear it in my daily, because I wasted 45 minutes or 1 hour or so, um, and there were no essential news. Okay, okay, but let's move on with Hive Blockchain. That's it. Yeah, let's check the prices today. Today it was a little bit a red day, but we have good news from Argo Blockchain. They are listed now on the OTC market from Nasdaq, I guess, and this is the chart here. So I think from yesterday it was starting at like 20 or 25 US dollar cents or so. Then there was a big rise here, so there's a big interest over there. They want this stock, but there was a big sell-off, and we're not right now at 29 US dollar cents, and with an exchange rate of 1.335 right now. It should be at 0.22 pound sterling right now, but we are at 0.177 pound sterling. And I don't know what's going on in the UK, but at least in the United States, there's a big community, or there's is big interest in here, and I think it will grow soon, very very big time. Yeah, we can see here in the prices that Argo is the only green stock today. So I think the move was good into Argo, and Hive, Hut8, Bitfarms, they are losing a little bit. Yeah, they had crazy days yesterday and the day before. For example, Bitfarms yesterday it was 66% plus. Okay, now they're minus 10, so that's okay. I think a lot of selling is because of Christmas. People want to go out before Christmas to be safe. I don't think it's a smart move because we are in a bull run, and in my opinion, it's more risky to sell before a weekend or holiday or so than hold, because in a bull run, the probability that the price increases is more than 50%. In the bear market, it's different. That's the price decrease is more than 50%, but in the bull market, it's like this. So I'm holding strong. I think 2021 is going to be insane for us. I think that was nothing we have seen yesterday and the day before. It was nice, but yeah, it was nothing to that what we see next year. So please prepare for this emotional, because don't sell these stocks cheap right now. Okay, it's nice. I sold a little bit from Bitfarms at 130 and 240 and 334, but I swapped it into Argo. I don't trade it into cash right now. Um, don't give these stocks or a big amount of stocks um, to the rich guys right now, because they are waking up. They want these stocks now. They see, oh wow, maybe these stocks have value. they slept the last 10 years and they were laughing about Bitcoin and this is all crazy. And now, wow, they say, oh, we are now investing a few billion into Bitcoin. And the people are applauding right now. And I don't think, yeah, okay, that's a lot of money which is moving in, which is good for us. But they want your shares, they want your Bitcoin, they want everything. So don't sell them to them. Prepare emotionally and yeah, we are in for the long run and for the big peak in Bitcoin, and that's gonna be somewhere next year or the year after. And that's when we make the big money, not now. You can trade a little bit, or you can do what you want, but what I'm doing is I'm trading a little bit because of fun. And yeah, if a company is disappointing me, then I trade to another a little bit, but I have always my strong holdings and I will keep them until I think the peak of the bull run is here. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.